Makita hammer in for repair. This is the HM0870C from 2021. Customer says it just stopped. Let's see what's wrong with it. Get it running again. But she's not doing squat. Now that's never going to help. Insulation beads. Must be doing cavity wall insulation. And it's packed out the vents. That's never going to be good for the motor. But hopefully this might be a simple fix. First things first, always check the bottom, check the brushes. Yeah, brushes it is. There's one wee spade connector here. Pull that up. Now they're wearing very badly as well. Look at the state of that. And this one looks to be the same. That's the one that's popped. Not as bad as the other one, mind you. A simple little cheap compressor and an air line can save you a lot of money and power tools just by cleaning them down and making sure the air vents stay clear. Very simple to change. Just pull out the old ones and drop in a new set. And it'll keep this machine running for longer. That's it. One set of brushes fitted. Now what I also just like to do when I have the opportunity is to just check the grease in these things, because it's also very easy to access. Just pop in here, take off the handle, and you can get to this top cover. Pop this off, and you can access the gearbox, mainly the piston, con rod, and the grease. You can see how everything's doing. It's a good job we want to check, because that is actually loose. Gears are worn. That crank is flopping all over the place. Not what you want. So we're going to have to do something about that too. Change that bearing. Otherwise the gears are just going to strip out in no time. Brush springs off again. I can pull that out. You can see now where that brush had popped. This is all starting to get a little bit loose. Pop that out. That bearing's gone, so we have to replace that. There has been damage done. That armature is badly worn as well because of that bearing. So don't be doing too much to it. It's still going to run. It's done quite a bit of work. But you don't want to do too much because it's not going to last. But it'll still be worth a few bearings to keep it running for a little bit longer. Remove that for now. Keep it clean. I just want to get this gear out. Right, if it refuses to come out, what you can do is remove the C-clip. Underneath the gear there's a circlip holding in this here bearing. Should come out the way it is. Sometimes they just refuse. If they refuse, you just got to persuade them. There. Take that clip out. Now the bearing might come out as well. There we go. There's the problem. Needles are gone as well. It's not just this bearing. It's actually the needle bearing down in there. So we'd have to replace that too. Wash it out, clean it up, new grease and new bearings. Right, that's all cleaned up, ready to be fixed up now. Now the problem with this particular hammer, this here HM0870C, is Makita don't list this needle bearing as a part. So that's not available on its own. You have to buy this whole aluminium head. But this is the newer model. If you go to the older model, it's the exact same head, and they also do sell that there bearing. And if you're looking for it from Makita, that's your part number 212157-7. And the bearing is a 1412 needle bearing. You mightn't be able to get it for this particular model, but you can still get that part number from the older model. So you can still replace it if you need to. So knock this thing out. There we go. Just get rid of that one. It doesn't actually matter which way you knock that on or take it out. It's just a straight bore. Before we put in this new one, just heat this up again. Now, that's the main issue. The next one is just this bearing. We'll just change that as well because there is a little bit of sidewards play in that. Now this one doesn't go onto this first. It actually goes onto here first. Little wave washer on. And get the bearing on. Hold it on with this clip. Just get a wee touch of grease down in there. Just to help her last longer. Now press that on. Look at that. Solid as rock now. Spinning free, but no sidewards play at all. That'll get this thing run a lot smoother. Now there is wear It's not perfect. There's still a lot of wear in these gears. It is starting to wear, but it's not worn out. That's the main thing. Cheap fix. We'll keep this running for a bit longer, but we don't want to spend too much money on it. Right, new bearing on top, and I did just go ahead and change this one as well. This is a 608, this one's a 6201. So that's all the bearings here changed. We don't want to do too much because this gear is still worn on top of the armature, so it's not going to last forever. We don't want to do a full strip and service on this thing. Just want to do as little as possible to keep it running. See, that's not got very good compression, so we will just clean that and change that O-ring as well. We're changing that one. We may as well change this one. As you can see, that it's just sliding back and forth. The hammer width. Before we put them in, just get a good dab of grease down in there. Seeing as I was changing the O-rings, that is how you want the hammer to be. Now these gears will get some heavier grease, just to keep her sweet. And we have a washer sitting here, and then the O-ring just sit on this end. Slide these back on. Bolt it all back down again. And we can just stick on them. Then we can top up this grease with another 30 mil. We can get the top cover back on. We can just get that back on to the motor section. Get the rest of it back together. Don't forget the original problem, the brushes. That's why it's good that these brushes eventually wear out, because if they didn't, people would just run these things on all the way into the ground and never give them a break. At least when the brushes wear out, you check everything else too. Now, make sure she hammers now. That's it. One Makita HM0870C hammer fixed up again and got running for longer with some new O-rings, grease and new bearings. Main one being that needle bearing. That'll stop the gear rattling back and forth and destroying the gear and the armature. She's going to be noisy, but she will be running, and she'll run for a few more years yet. That's her, ready to go.